I'm Walid Adamna, your Wyoming reporter. News out of Lansing is making waves here in my neighborhood after a judge dismissed criminal charges against 15 people accused of attempting to falsely certify the 2020 election for President Donald Trump. Among those defendants was Wyoming's Mayor Kent Vanderwood.
This is a fraud case, and we have to prove intent. And I don't believe that there's evidence sufficient to prove intent.
A partisan ploy to score political points. That's how Mayor Vanderwood described the case against him and 15 other people. The group was charged in 2023 for allegedly attempting to present themselves as the official electors for Michigan following the 2020 election. One defendant pleaded not guilty in a deal with investigators. The rest maintained their innocence. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel claims they would have falsely certified the state as supporting President Trump's re-election bid. Tuesday's ruling by a judge in Lansing didn't change her perspective.
A group of 16 people entered the Michigan GOP headquarters with a mission to sign and mail a document to the United States Senate falsely claiming three things. One, that they were the duly elected and qualified electors for the state of Michigan. Two, that they convened and organized in the Michigan state capitol. And three, that Donald J. Trump had won Michigan's popular vote.
Each person faced 8 charges ranging from forgery to conspiracy to election violation laws.
They knew they were not electors. They knew they were not inside the Capitol. They knew Donald Trump lost, but then they lied anyway. And that is a crime.
I reached out to Mayor Vanderwood about the dismissal. He provided this statement in part saying, quote, "I love my country, my state, and my city. We won't always agree on every policy, but the use of state resources to harass law-abiding citizens needs to stop. My focus has been and will continue to be serving the citizens of Wyoming." The Kent County GOP happy about the ruling, saying, quote, "Judge Simmons refused to bend to political pressure and used only the law in making her decision. It's a boon to every American seeking truth and justice." The decision could ripple to other cases across the U.S. 4 other states also filed election fraud charges tied to the 2020 election. Nessel says she's worried about the implications the ruling will have on other election-related cases.
This is the most dangerous, slippery slope that exists for American democracy. When the courts determine that violations of election law should not even be heard by a jury. When state legislators and governors across America make it easier for Trump to cheat.
Walid Adamna, your Wyoming reporter, Fox 17 News.